Hey guys, it's Jacqueline again with Advanced Vintage Fashions. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about some vertical shades. Most people are familiar with the vertical blinds or the slats, kind of like a blind, just vertical. Those are out of date. Some people still use them, but today I'm going to show you a little bit about a Skyline and a Duet, which are the more up-to-date vertical trends that a lot of people are doing. They're great for sliders, big, large windows. It's going to allow you to have some privacy, but then you will also be able to open it. You don't have to do motorization, but I'm going to showcase that today. The fabrics, these Skylines, they come in tons of different screen shade colors, opacities, roller shade fabrics. You can choose from those. They have a couple different style head rails, but they allow you to open your slider if you want to be able to go out, but still have a little bit of privacy down here.